Hello guys, I'm just uploading this helpful video for everyone who are having the Nikon J1, J2, J3 cameras. Like they're having a problem with their camera not turning on, so I just fixed mine with the help of this, and you can fix your also. But first you need to keep your multimeter in the buzzer mode with the quantity, and then you need to inspect the board carefully, like if there are some missing tracks or if there are burnt marks or the battery connector is like having a carbon or something. I'm gonna mark it like in the circle, like you need to observe this carefully. If it's like having a carbon or something, you can just wipe it off with the alcohol or with any other liquid like contact cleaner or something. And the next picture is like once you flip your board, you're gonna see two fuses which are marked in the circle. Most of the time, like these two fuses, they are blown, so just check with your multimeter, and if any of them is not like giving a continuity, you can just replace those fuses or just connect a wire in between them, any kind of small wire, the thinnest wire. I just fixed mine, and I hope like it helps you. Please subscribe and like my channel, and share to others also, and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you.